Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will guide you through the steps to log out of the DeepSeek AI app. Whether you are changing your account or simply want to log out, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. So let's get started. Open the DeepSeek AI app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the DeepSeek AI app on the home page in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see lines that you will click on. Then on the next page, scroll down to your profile in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will open where you will scroll down to the Logout option and then click on it. The app will open a small window and ask you if you want to log out. If you stick to that decision, then click the Logout option. And that's it. You have successfully logged out of the DeepSeek AI app. If you have any questions or run into any problems, feel free to leave a comment below. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.